Hi everyone, in this video I'll be replacing the turn signal bulbs in my C5 Corvette. Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel about building a kit car, Corvettes, and other car topics. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notification buttons below and share with others on social media. Throughout my Corvette videos, you have seen me mention multiple times that my hands are too big. Well, here's another instance where if they were a little smaller, I could have done this a different way, but so it goes. I started to have all sorts of wackiness with my turn signals not working, and then blinking twice as fast, and I originally thought it was the hazard switch issue, which a lot of cars have, but luckily it was just one of my turn signal bulbs that was out. So I got some replacement bulbs at the local store and proceeded to see what the easiest way to replace these was going to be. Now, if your hands are small enough, you could go through the front air dams and change it out easily. But since I can't get my hands in there, I have to go from the top. However, knowing I could use the air dam space to have a little help with my other hand, I decided to do both. Now, once my arm goes in from the top, I'm running blind since I can't see anything. To start, you have to remove the housing around the lamp, and you can see this in my other video about repairing the headlights to see how to do this. Then you push the black plastic of the air dam back and down to get it out of the way. Then I had to find the proper way of removing the light. There's a push tab and a twist feature to remove the light mechanism from the bumper or the body, if you will. On the driver's side, it turns out the bulb was actually broken and in pieces. You could clearly see how I put the air dam back. Push in, pull up, and repeat forward and lock into place. It has a natural spring to it since it's shaped like an accordion. Now for the other side, and I'm sorry my camera drooped, but I get the air dam out of the way. Once I get the light bulb out, I wanted to bring it through the air duct so I could see what I was doing. Here you can see clearly the tab that you push in and twist. I'm not sure why, but it was harder for me to get my arm in from the top. Maybe since I'm right-handed, my muscles are bigger on this arm. But there was a point in this video where I get my arm stuck and you see a moment of panic sets in. I had to actually use my other hand to squeeze my arm together and get it out an inch at a time. You could see the redness on my arms from scraping them out. Then a test of the lights and start putting everything back together. About 30 minutes to an hour of work depending on whether you get stuck or not. Till next time, please hit the subscribe and notification buttons below and have a great day.